Today, in a modern society with all the technological developments, we can be proud that we are moving towards a list of superpower nations. Yet, we have another side to feel sad about. Our performers are ready to enact a meaningful drama on the impact of social media on the youngsters. Wake up in the morning and squint at a tiny blue screen in the hands of a sleepy young adult, scrolling through variety of posts, clips, pictures and videos to see what is going on in their lives of those they know. Some of the social media sites that includes Facebook, Twitter, Tinder, Snapchat, etc. Get set and be ready to witness the impact of social media on the youngsters.
That is completely based on sharing photos and videos. You can share your photos on them. That is the privacy of photos. Collective is not individual and have become an addiction for my users. They cannot live without me.
I am a very simple social network because I allow you to be aware of everything and industries such as communities, celebrities are just people who are not famous but who you know. That is a lot of fame on that network and this is not so controlled. This is also makes me too fast in terms of number and fee and sometimes the trust on me is lost.
I have an internal portal that incorporates a search engine and directly a worldwide website organized in a hierarchy of topic categories. But there is a lot of wrong information on the internet. Anyone can post anything and much of it is discarded. And there are a lot of kids also.
I am an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products, which include online advertising, search engine, cloud computing, software and hardware. But if you accidentally close me, I will close all the tabs without anyone.
Ha ha ha! Whatever guys, you said it on time, I appreciate it. We are humble servants, master. Today, I invite you to this chat room where you will see a visual treat that you will never ever forget.
We are all at your service, master.
Supreme Master of the virtual world.
Supreme Commander of the web world.
Mark these words, my friends. One day, the virtual world will dance on my tunes.
That's great. This year, you must bring lollies to our college. Of course, ma'am, if God permits. You know, sir, your daughter is such a brilliant girl. She is an all-rounder. She is good at studies, excellent sports person, and wonderful dancer. Her hard work and determination will definitely bring Lawrence to our college. You are indeed very lucky to bless with such a daughter. But I am not sure you know, ma'am. Chatting and chatting and chatting. Just wasting our time. I'm not wasting my time, my dear mom. I open the windows to the world. Windows to the world, my foot. Don't drag her. She will marry. She is my daughter. That's my dad. Oh, my online buddies, they must be waiting for me. Bye, everybody. Again chatting, one day you will be in trouble. Just one more second, mom. Almost over. Oh my God, my life, my dream, everything is trouble. Oh my God.
Don't swear by the name of the God, my God. Wherever I am, God can never be.
Who are you?
Who am I? It's not important. What's important is that you have become my victim in this latest world.
Mommy! What? What's the matter? Nothing, mom. Spider. No. Cockroach. You really scared me. What is it now? Don't cause it for me. It's just a silly mistake. I beg you on my knees. I beg you.
You silly little girl. I always wait for the mistake to happen. And when it happens, I move my step slowly, dragging it.
You brute? You don't know me? Who am I? Not at that poor girl. You don't know me. I put you behind the bus.
You? Me? Behind the bus? You silly little girl. People will drag you. They will eat your words. This is what happens when you get too much attachment to the social media. Now it's my turn. You decide yourself. It's your destiny.
Mommy! Mommy! What happened? Call the doctor quick! Doctor, please make it fast. It's my daughter.
One more victim. Can you see that? Yes, this is the reason you should not get too much of attachment to the social media, especially Facebook. Mind it, my friends. One more victim is sitting somewhere against you. I'm waiting for that person.
Don't worry, she will be alright. The only problem is her fear towards social networking. Fear? Yes, she is overexposed to social networking. It is the most effective antivirus that moms have learned how to work with a life of without. Oh my poor child, how can help her out of this? It would be better if we consult a social networking expert for a better solution. I know an expert. Come, let's go and meet her. Don't worry, sir. Teenagers today are the seemingly unbreakable relationship with mobile. More importantly, social media apps, on which they communicate throughout dawn and dusk.
But ma'am, I always have a keen watch on my daughter.
That's not enough, sir. Monitoring and browsing behavior of your child and taking corrective steps is important. Parents should guide their children not to share the personal information on unknown websites. It's important that parents should regularly check the pictures shared by the social media and friendly and caring environment at home would encourage. Even teachers can play a vital role here.
But how can we enter into their private zone, ma'am?
After parents, teachers are the next best influence in student life. Social media familiarization workshop can be arranged by schools for parents and students. It can be an effective way to find out whether a student is a victim of cyberbullying or not.
Can't the government take any steps against this?
The government has proposed measures to regulate social media companies over harmful content, including substantial fine. Its ability to block services the domestic rule. It will also remove illegal content and priority of protection of users, especially children, young people and vulnerable adults.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable information and solution.
It's my pleasure, so you need not worry about your daughter. I will help you to remove the content from the net. Take care of your daughter.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
So if you or your children are worried about using social networking sites, just don't be. Keep your software update, double check information before you delete it. And keep your privacy settings updated. If social networking is getting you down, just don't be scared. Just keep your privacy settings updated and check it about